Have you ever needed to create a new invoice in QuickBooks Online but didn't want to re-enter every single detail again? Well, there's a faster way. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to copy an invoice in QuickBooks Online quickly, accurately, and without any confusion. This is a full 2025 guide, so even if the layout has changed slightly, this method will still work. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a quick tip to avoid common mistakes when duplicating invoices. Let's get started. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. From your dashboard, go to the Sales section in the left-hand menu and select Invoices. Here, you'll see a list of all your past invoices. Now, locate the invoice you want to copy. Once you find it, click on it to open the Invoice Details page. At the top right or in the More Options drop-down, you should see an option that says Copy or Duplicate. Click on it. QuickBooks will instantly create a new invoice using the same customer, products or services, and amounts from the original one. From here, you can make any changes needed, such as updating the invoice date, adding or removing items, or adjusting the quantity or price. This step is important to avoid sending outdated details to your client. Once everything looks correct, simply click Save and Send or Save and Close, depending on your next action. And that's it. Your copied invoice is now ready to go without having to start from scratch. And that's how easy it is to copy an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This simple feature can save you a ton of time and help you keep your billing accurate and efficient. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and full 2025 guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.